My name is Jay Noble. I'm a pastor here in Cedar City, and I just had the privilege, the honor really, to sit in Darren's message, Least Likely. And I got to tell you, it resonated with me. It resonated with me as a human being, but it resonated with me as a servant of God. Because we all have our stories. We wouldn't be here where we are without having answered the call. And you know as well as I do what that means and what we've had to struggle through to get there. This encapsulated all of that, and it is so relatable to anybody at any stage in life. I got to tell you, I sense the anointing of God on this message, and it's so providential is the word I would use, to see how God not just brought him through and is using him. I can see how God's hand is on it and is going to take this message to other people and really just land it well. So give it a shot. You won't regret it. It's good.